Musical alphabets for kids, A to Z. A. Accordion. B. Banjo. C. Clarinet. D. Drums. E. Electric guitar. F. Flute. G. Grand piano. H. Harp. I. Irish tin whistle. J. Jazz saxophone. K. Keyboard. L. Lute. M. Mandolin. N. Native American flute. O. Oboe. P. Pan flute. Q. Quina. R. Recorder. S. Sitar. T. Trumpet. U. Ukulele. V. Violin. W. Wind chimes. X. Xylophone. Y. Yangqin. Z. Zither. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, take care.